Hey y'all. Oh Lord, I'm off from work. I'm on my way home. On my break, I went to some stores. I went to Aldis. And I went to Aldis. And I went to Family Dollars to see what they had. And get my dog some treats. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. I am back. I want to show you guys my haul. So, 2 of these for dinner because I'm not cooking. They are bistro lasagna with meat sauce. I made her some French toast one day with this and honey. So I got 2. I'm going to make some breakfast this weekend of these milk chocolate and caramel pretzels. The salad kits, eggnog, holiday sandwich cream cookies. I love these from Aldis. His treats. Hey, Mama, I heard it. There you go, baby. This one up. So we got this one, y'all. It's a Shade E door line. Alright, y'all. Yeah. That's my new fridge, y'all.
Yeah,
LG.
Well, 4 stops out here. They were cleaning up after somebody's mess.
Oh.
And we know it's travel kids.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. My fridge came. And I'm just about to wipe it down. We just sit and wipe it down with a little soap and water. They gotta bring me some screws back for this handle. Get all the sponge. Oh my God. 3 rolls of paper, wrapping paper. I got most of them green because you know that's like what I'm going with. Green wrapping paper, green Christmas jammies. They are so cute, right? All these, they were $29, 30, no, $24.99, I think. So cute. And they are metal. With the little puppies looking like my big boy. I got these from Aldis. They are red. So cute. You got the little gold. A freaking penguin and a snowman. Oh my God, they were 15 each. $50, y'all. For $15. And I got 2. So I got this one, which is a snowman. And it's very fast. Fills up very fast. See? And I got the snowman and the penguin. And they were $15 each, you guys, from Aldis. So cute, right? Alright, y'all. So this is the look. Oh my God, it looks so good. Look at my arrangement on the table with my candles lit. All the pillows on there nicely. And I got the fireplace going on the TV.
R&B meets